I hope you are all doing well. Today is a super exciting day and it is Glossybox time. And you might be thinking, you've already unboxed Glossybox this month, Lucy. What are you doing? Well, this is the limited edition Glossybox and Karl Lagerfeld collab. It is the illuminated beauty box and I am so ridiculously excited. I think you can probably see from the smile on my face. Today is the first day. If you're on the waiting list, you can buy it. It is £30, £25 per subscribers, and it's worth £117. Tomorrow it will go on general sale, which is the 22nd of May. So, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness. On the back as well, the silhouette. So it's Karl Lagerfeld, Model Co and Glossybox all in one. Oh my goodness, look, that is beautiful. I'm so excited. So I do know what's inside it because I have seen the press release, but I'm still redonkulously excited about this. So let's get it open. So inside, oh, this is a keeper, isn't it? It looks like this. I am loving the black box. It is gorgeous, and the pink ribbon. Yes! Right. So this is the little glossy magazine, and then you've got it like this. Inside there are 6 products, limited edition collectible beauty. So that is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. And then this is just telling you about it. So I'm just going to grab things. The first thing I've got, I've already got this. So this is going to go into a giveaway. It will, I'm not going to swatch this one. I have got my own one that I will quickly grab and show you. But it is a baked blush. And it is in the colour, I think this is in the colour Rose. This is full size. This retails for £31 and it is rose pink. I will grab mine quickly. Oh no, it's a different colour. It's a different colour. But I'm still going to put it in a giveaway because I have already got one. I've got this one, which is in the colour, I'm not sure, but I got this in my Glossybox either last month or the month before. So slightly different. This is more pink, this is more coral. This is the one that is going in the box. I will just show you. It is beautiful. These are so pretty, and the sheen on them, if you like a sheen on your blush, yes, that is amazing. So £31 for that, and that's a full-size product. Next up is a brush, and this is I'm not going to say every time. They're all Karl Lagerfeld, and Model Co is the collab with Glossybox. So this is the blush brush. This is £22 full size. That is so soft, super soft. Multitasking brush with the ultra soft bristles is ideal for flawlessly applying bronzer, blusher, powder and highlighter. Dust the brush over the product and then gently shake off the excess before applying. So that is a really lovely brush that is going to be added to my collection. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, next up, what are you? This is a lipstick by the looks of things. Let me see if I can get it open. Okay, so this is a oh my goodness, that is a pretty colour. This is a Lip Couture lipstick in red, deluxe mini. Matte red lipstick is a must-have. Oh my goodness, that is a pretty colour. A must-have for full coverage, long-lasting, highly pigmented lip look. The nourishing and creamy formula glides on effortlessly to saturate lips in a sumptuous, kissable colour. So that is beautiful. There is a lip liner as well, I can see as well. So I'm going to wait and put the lip liner on, and then I'm going to put this on as well. But that is gorgeous. Right, next up I've got the long-lasting liquid eyeliner. This is £21. Superfine water-resistant liquid liner, guarantees control and precision, easy to apply. The angled felt tip applicator is a must-have for fine lines and strong flicks. The packaging on this is gorgeous. Look at that. That is a black eyeliner. That is super intense. Wow, that is mega. I love the tip. It's got like a flat a flat side on it. I don't know if it's going to show you, but you can, I think you can kind of, yes, you can create little, yes. I'm going to have to give this a go. I'm not good at eyeliner, I'm not doing it now, but I will put the lipstick on in a second. That is awesome. Let's grab the lip liner now. So the lip liner is in the same kind of box, but it is bright cerise pink. This is £21. And it says amplify your look by enhancing and defining with this liner. It matches the matte red lipstick perfectly to create a fuller pout. If I can get it out. Get out. Again, really lovely packaging. I'm going to pop this on quickly. Wait there. That is so soft. This is like the most pressure putting lipstick on ever. Oh, I'm going to have to stop my mum stealing this colour because this is a little bit of her. That is one of the nicest reds ever. Oh my goodness, I love it. Yeah! Right, what have we got in here? The final thing in here, we've got a lip gloss. And it is a deluxe mini. And the full size is £22. A gorgeous creamy lip gloss, which is here. I will get it out of its plastic packaging so it doesn't reflect, so you can actually see it. It delivers a burst of highly pigmented colour designed for all day wear, plus the cushioned one applicator makes this gloss easy to apply, resulting in a smooth satin finish. Apply gloss to lips for an intense colour and shine. It looks like a perfect colour for me. Really, really pretty colour. Yeah, it's a really lovely summery nudie colour. Look at the shine on that. Oh my goodness. If I hadn't already got this gorgeous red on, I'd be putting this on as well. So that is the box. That is worth £117, and you can get it for £30 if you're not a subscriber, £25 if you are. And you get this gorgeous box to keep as well. So thank you so much to Glossybox for sending me this, and I'd get it, girls, because it's beautiful. The blush is going in a giveaway, but everything else I'm keeping because it's beautiful. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.